Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Pinterest feed. To know how to fix or how to solve Pinterest feed, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this list, you will search about this window of Pinterest and you will click. Here in this page of app info, you will enter to first stop and you will click OK. Then you will go to click storage. When you'll find this page here, you will enter to clear cache. And in the end, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.